Hello everyone. Today's session name is exercise in JSP and JavaScript. So we create example exercise in JSP means Java server pages and JavaScript to demonstrate how to interact with user input and display dynamic content. So we will create a basic web page that uh, users for their name, then display the personalized greeting using JSP and JavaScript. So here step by step guide to create this exercise. First create a new JSP file. Let's call the exercise.jsp file. Inside exercise.jsp write the HTML structure with a form to collect the user input. So here example create the JSP file and that file name is a exercise.jsp. So what is exercise in JSP? What exactly does it? So it asks the user for enter their name in the our form. Next, create a JSP file. Here program first welcome.jsp and label name text submit button. So here we created a form. So we see the JSP example on Eclipse. So open the Eclipse here. We create a new project and create a JSP file that name is exercise. So here we created a form using the form tag that is the name, text, submit button, and after that display the output. So run this file, run as a server. So here Tomcat server, finish. So our code is run. So here welcome to exercise. Our form is created here. Enter your name. So we enter ABC and submit button. After that output is a greetings ABC exclamatory. So here we created a form and submit, then display the output. Thank you. I got. After that we see the example of this JSP file. Open Eclipse here, create new project and create a exercise.jsp file. So here we created first a form using form tag. Here we take a label name, that is a enter your name. Next input type text means enter the name and uh, take the button tag for the submit. So here we id is a greeting display and display the greetings means output and means click on the submit button, we see output the greetings and our name. So run this file, right click on this file, run as a server. So here select Tomcat and finish. So here our form is created. So we type the name and submit. So here create the output greetings ABC. Thank you.